Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah. Today I am going to explain you about the most selling and buying product in all over India. Now I am going to show you our cabinet design from the back. So here you can see our cabinet design from the back. You can see the two handles from the side and one handle is up. This is you can use for carry the cabinet, and this is you can use when you set up the screen, and also you can see the handle for modules. And this is the all over look from the back of our cabinet. So here you can see our cabinet hub card, and this is the receiving card, and inside we have power supply, and our power supply connected with hub by screw. It is not by cable. And you can check here we have two extra signal cable. So this is the overlook of our hub box from back and from front. So this is rear maintenance cabinet. So here you can see about the module. So from back you can take the module outside, and again you can replace from the back. Thank you for joining with me. And for more information and for any kind of inquiry, you can contact with me.